Hello, hello, my fellow weirdos. Ashley here, and welcome to my DeepBluelazor channel. I am a DoTerra wellness advocate, and I am all about educating people on essential oils and natural solutions to your life. As I said, I'm all about education, so if you are enrolled under someone else, you're more than welcome to hang out with me and learn stuff. If you have any questions about me or essential oils, feel free to reach out. I am more than happy to answer them for you. So, I am also a crazy hat lady. I love hats. Every video, I'm going to be wearing a hat, so just watch out for that. Some of them are pretty normal, you know, something you'd probably see out on the streets, and others are pretty crazy. This one is probably more medium, like in that mid-range, believe it or not. I do have hats that are a lot crazier than this one. So anyone out there, this is the TARDIS from Doctor Who. I am a Whovian. I am also really into Star Wars, Disney, anime, DC and Marvel. Like I am a bit of a geek. So if you want to talk about geeky things with me, you're more than welcome to. I love talking to other people about these things. So that is all I have to say. Feel free to watch my videos, subscribe, all that jazz. And in the meantime, keep being your awesomely weird selves. Bye!